Hi beauties, it's Jean Piersanti with Beauty and the Stamper, and we're going to do a quick and easy card. This is from Sara, the CEO of Stampin' Up. I saw her do a 4-step card and I said I'm going to try it out. So I chose a stamp set. That's my greeting. I'm going to use the Always and Forever, and All of Me Loves All of You from the Forever Blossom stamp set. I also picked some designer series paper. This is the Simply Elegant. Both sides are beautiful, but you know me, I'm going to go with the shiny side. I picked some embellishments, which is the champagne rhinestones. So that is 3 of the steps. And then the base is the final step. So I picked a gray granite. I have just cut a standard right in half, scored right in half. And we're going to go ahead and do step 1, which is the base. I have taken the designer series paper, and I have mine always cut into 6x6s because I don't use the big 12x12s. So with that, I cut an inch strip. So it was 1x6, and then a 1/2 inch strip. So it was 1/2 by 6 inches, and then I cut both of those in half at 3 inches. So I've got these 4 beautiful colors here. I'm also just going to take my Tombow adhesive, and we are going to place those on our base. So that is step 1, was the base. Now we're just going to put these guys kind of on here. I'm going to take this guy. And I'm going to just put him. Oh, that's not where that goes. We're going to go with this next one here. You can put them however they go, but I wanted them to go small, large, small, large. So I'm going to take this guy, and I'm going to put him just right over here. And it does not have to be perfectly straight, but that's why it's so nice to work with the Tombow glue. This is a great set to work with for beginners. A great little layout. You can just put them however you like. And it's just so pretty and elegant. And both sides would have been great to use. I just chose the nice blingy one. And this one I'm going to put right about here. So we've got step 2. We've got step 1 was the base. Step 2 is the designer series paper. Step 3, we're going to do our greeting. And I'm just going to get that same gray granite. I'm going to get my Memento Tuxedo Black. I'm going to ink up that Always Forever. And just go like that. While I have my ink out, I'm going to get this one all done up. There we go. And aw, it's just so sweet. All right, we've got our inside. We've got that part. And now for this guy, I'm just going to punch him out with my everyday label. Line that up the best that I can. We've got that there. And then you are going to choose your adhesive. You can put that right smack down on there. I'm going to pop mine up just a little bit using my dimensionals. So we'll throw a few dimensionals on here. And then just take off those. You can put this wherever you'd like. I'm going to put mine. Oh, where would I like it? You get to choose. Yep, I think I'm going with right in the center. There we go. And that is our greeting is part 3. And our final is adding embellishments. Of course, I'm going to put an embellishment here and on the other side to make it look like it's being kind of divoted in there. I think that's the word. I don't know. But then I'm going to just put a couple here and there. So I like to go with a large and a small, and then I will put one more just right up here. And there we go. Yes, look at that quick 4-step card. Look at that beautiful glisten and glow. And that is a super cute, quick and easy card that even a beginner can do, but it's elegant enough for a novice. Is novice the word? I don't know. Anyway, somebody who's been doing it for a while. All right, beauties. If you'd like to order anything that I've shown you today, go to jeanpiersanti.stampinup.net, and then don't forget to enter the October host code. And I'm still doing my free gems giveaway for any orders over $65 before the end of October. All right, have a wonderful day. I will talk to you later. Bye.